What's up guys, Sal here. So when it comes to keeping things under wraps, Google is by far the worst company ever. Every year their unreleased Pixel phones get leaked, not days but several months before the actual event. And that's exactly what's happening with the Pixel 8 Pro as well.
I just don't give a
Someone on Reddit posted these hands-on pictures of the Pixel 8 Pro, which gives us a clear view of the phone and the changes they've made. First, the flat screen. One trend that still divides the masses is the case of flat versus curved displays. I personally prefer curved displays for aesthetics, but recently I used the OnePlus 11R and I get why a lot of people dislike the curved panels. You see, curved displays are good, but there's a limit. Samsung probably has it just about spot on with their phones. So it could have been better if Google struck the right balance with the Pixel 8 Pro, but they decided to go flat, and that's actually good news for majority of Pixel fans. The photo of the back of the Pixel 8 Pro shows its new triple camera system, all housed in one glass oval, unlike the 7 Pro's separate telephoto lens. We also see a temperature sensor here to measure the body temperature. A leaked video from Google has already shown how this thing works. To be honest, it feels like solely a game that we had on the Pixel 5, only less useful. It could have made sense during COVID, but Google is just a couple of years late. If you're gonna add random extra stuff, I'd prefer an IR blaster. With wide enough compatibility, these blasters could be used to change TV channels if the remote isn't around, making them a great selling point for phones. Anyway, the boot screen also shows 12 gigs of Samsung LPDDR5 RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. It was reported that Pixel 8 lineup will get a UFS 4.0 storage solution that offers twice the speed of UFS 3.1 on the Pixel 7 while being 45% more efficient. But you see, UFS 4 storage starts from 256GB. So if you want faster speeds, then you need to get the 256GB variant because the 128 gigs is still UFS 3.1. With that said, Google is upgrading almost every component with the Pixel 8 Pro. The screen is getting brighter from 1000 nits to 1600 nits. They've also made improvements to its variable refresh rates. The back camera now houses the biggest camera sensor from Samsung, which is nearly an inch in size, which means better images and videos both during the day and low light conditions. They've made huge improvements to the tensor chip this year with a more modern core design similar to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Pixel 8 Pro will also get this huge upgrade that literally turns it into a computer. You can find what I'm talking about here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.